Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect toast. I know, it's a video on making toast, and you're probably thinking, what? You're probably laughing, but here's the thing. I've had bad, soggy, buttery toast at diners, friend's house, other places, and so I know that not everyone knows how to make great toast, so I'm going to show you how to do it perfectly every single time. Let's get to it. The first thing to making perfect toast is toasted bread. You can toast it to whatever your desired toastiness is. If you like it just lightly toasted or burnt, it doesn't matter. However you prefer it, that doesn't matter. So while the bread is toasting, I'll go over the parts that do matter. So you want to start off with softened butter. You don't want to put cold butter on your toast. The reason for that is cold butter isn't going to spread evenly. And you don't want to use the heat from the toast to melt the butter in order to try to spread the cold butter. If you do that, it's just going to melt underneath and create a soggy center to the toast, and you're going to have the cold butter on top that's still not spreading. So it's important to have butter that's at room temperature that you can easily spread across the toast. On top of that, I like to use unsalted butter. I use unsalted butter because I like to use flaky salt towards the end after I have buttered the toast, just to get that kind of burst of flavor. And so I can also control the salt in the toast. Okay, so the bread has toasted. So the thing that's really nice about using the softened butter is it also doesn't, you don't have to butter the toast immediately because it's easy to spread on the toast. So I've taken my toast out, now I'm gonna prepare it. I'm just gonna go ahead and take some unsalted softened butter and just spread it across the toast. Like I said, the advantage here, just never use cold butter when you're making toast. It's not gonna spread evenly. It's gonna cause the toast to be soggy because the part that's in contact with the warm bread is gonna just melt into the bread. And then the cold part is just gonna stay on top and you can't do anything about it. So just go ahead and use softened butter. Like I said, I'm using unsalted because I'm gonna salt it afterwards. And I just use a flaky salt like Malbon to just sprinkle a few little bits. And there you go. That's how you make the best toast ever. Like I said, I know it's silly to make a video about toast, but I've had bad toast, so I don't think it's actually that silly. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have a comment, I'm sure you will, please drop those below. And if you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. I release new videos every single week, and I think that you'll like them. See you guys next time.